Okay, today's we'll talking about how this text will removed and replace the other logos. So uh, it is just easy. So I need to help with the this selection tool, the piece tool, and pitch, sorry, and there are many options you can do. So I just need to copy the layer just like this, and then what can I do? Just roughly selection it like this and just drag it to the space area like this. Just hold it and just drop it here. Okay, and then again. Okay, it's almost done. So I need to just and do it above like this. Okay, it's almost okay. So I just again just like this selected, and same thing, just do it right now. Okay, so you can see it is done. So you can just okay, I think it need to replace by here. Something is destroyed. So you can fix it very easily with clone stem tool or any other. So this is just a way, just I do it. You can do it any other way, like I just tried, just copied another one, and this is the we did, and this is the another one. Just what can I do? Just edit and go to the sorry, I need to selection first, something like this. Just help of the rectangular marquee tool and select it, and then go edit and content and hour fill. Just click it here and just watch. He did really awesome. And then okay, so it's just painted another layer just like this. You can see this is the painted. So I think there is something wrong. So what can I do? You can just clone stem tool and just make a sample from like the same anywhere, and flow will be like 30, and just go over painting something like this. So it is easy, just remove anything, the product. And now what can I do? Just I have just randomly random created just this logo. Just pick it here and press it into here. So Ctrl Command T and just flip it like this and just create it like this. Okay, sorry, it is moved there. It's okay, just select the layer and Ctrl T and then flip it right there. So it is done. And I need to change the color. Just double click here, the layer and the color overlay, and choose the color white, and blending mode and blending mode will be just normal. So this is our product. So you can remove anything like this. This is the way. This is not the way every so you need to learn much about this. So if you want to replace the color, go to the adjustment layer and the hue saturation, and you can just change the hue and change the color itself. I think it will be better. So it is our final result. So you can replace anything like this way.